Mga amigos, amigas at amigues ko dyan, listen to this. Hustle does not scale. Filipino business owners and freelancers do not have that hard work problem. Most of us have systems problem. And the sooner that you fix that, the sooner you realize na sustainable naman pala talaga yung gusto mong i-build. Two reasons bakit nasabi ko to. Number one, nag-comment ang sabi niya, kaya daw gusto ko magko-comment sa post is engagement lang daw yung habol ko. So let's do a quick math. Di ba kung magkano kinikita sa engagement? Unless meron kang millions and millions of views consistently, kulang pa yung pambili ng isang sako ng bigas. Iniisip ninyo at nakikita nyo sa social media na akala ninyo yung mayaman yung mga creators because of engagement? No. Bakit nga ba kailangan mag-comment instead of mag-DM na lang at mag-reply? Na sa lahat, yung nakikita ninyong reply sa comments dyan at yung DM na pumapasok sa inyo, hindi ako yan personally. Yan yung tinatawag na AI at automation. Halimbawa, sa bawat comment ng isang customer sa isang business, tatanong how much. Kung manual akong sasagot ng libo-libong comments every single night, yan yung tinatawag natin na hustle. Sobrang nakaka-burnout, sobrang hindi sustainable. But the moment that you decide, okay, let me add automation to my workflow. Para efficient ba? Lahat na sasagot, lahat na re-replyan, at yung mga hindi kayang sagutin ng automation, yun yung mapapa-assign sa admin na sasagot sa question nyo. Yung business ninyo or yung business ng client ninyo, system na sumasagot habang natutulog kayo, yan yung tinatawag natin na operations. Another reason that I'm creating this video is because tinatanong kasi dito ni POV Virtual Assistant kung ano daw nangyari doon sa account ko sa TikTok na over 400,000 na ang following. Naban siya. Nating kalimutan na itong mga social media platforms na to, hindi ito sa mga content creators, hindi ito doon sa mga may-ari ng profiles, ito ay rented space. Kung yung iba, manghihinayang sila na, oh shit, wala yung 400,000 na following and blah 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 and all that. Well, that is okay. Again, rented space. And what's more important is that habang nabubuhay yung account na naban na yon, we were able to build a community. Maraming natuto kung paano mag-start na mag-work from home from that account. And we were able to bring everybody from that platform to a platform that we actually own sa Blogymerry Group. Ibig sabihin, if we wanna reach out to kaming sabihin sa kanila, we can still tap them because we have their information inside the community. And it is always best if you have a business or if you are a content creator and you have some following, it's best that you have your own operations and your own system. Imagine applying this same knowledge to your client's business as a freelancer. Mga ganong ata. VA na marunong mag-setup ng work, basic automation, social media, management system. Yan yung sinasabi ko na hindi na sila binabayaran per task. Sila ay binabayaran na kada sistema na ginagawa nila inside the client's business. So yun lang, very very quick. Salamat doon sa nag-comment. Pagbigay tuloy tayo ng libreng lesson tungkol sa operation. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!